This is a master bedroom. Let's take a look in here. It's almost complete, the house. We came to do final details on the floor. This is the view on the second floor. This is the master, this is where the bed goes. Nice. It was hard because of the height and the danger, but we took care of it professionally. This is the kitchen, powder room. These are all screens. These are all screens, okay. For viewing many channels, or even downloading like images, make like a movie with the pictures, and you can basically see different all channels on different on the different screens. It's amazing, no? This is all floor. Bathroom with the guest bedroom. Big living room. That's our stuff. I'm finishing that. Looks good. It's looking pretty close now. And this is the view. Treads. And this staircase is different now. We have a staircase with risers and steps all the way down. That's the basement, garage, entertainment room. 95% complete the house. We're gonna open the doors to look at the view. Toda. These are lights. These lights go here and there. There's two lights. An Oceanfront walk house. That's Santa Monica there.